Monday evening. We're about to make a peanut butter baked oatmeal. We're gonna have this for breakfast in the morning. I'm gonna be making sausage and egg burritos in the morning too, but I really want some peanut butter oatmeal, so we're gonna go ahead and make this tonight. So in the morning I just have to warm it up. So I've got this Country Cooking Mennonite cookbook. We're gonna use this baked oatmeal recipe. I'm changing it just a little bit though to make it peanut butter. And I'm only gonna make half of it because this makes a big 9 by 13. And we don't need that much since I'm making the sausage and egg burritos too. And I'm mostly the one who wants the peanut butter oatmeal, so I'm just making a smaller one. We'll go ahead and spray this casserole dish and set it over to the side. This spray does not make any noise. It's an avocado oil spray. It just comes out silently. Okay. We're gonna need some melted butter, so I'm just gonna put the butter in here, stick it in the microwave for a few seconds to melt. We only need half a stick since we're making just half of the recipe. So 4 tablespoons. Okay, we'll melt this real quick. Alright, there's the butter. We're going to put in 1 egg. Once we mix this in, the rest of that butter will melt for us there. Okay, we'll whisk that all together. Now, one of y'all asked me a couple of days ago where this chicken whisk came from. This one. And I actually do not remember where I got this from. I know it's a mud pie thing, but I can't remember where I got it from. As soon as I remember though, I'll let y'all know. Okay, we got the butter and egg whisked together. We're going to put in half a cup of maple syrup. I'm just going to eyeball that. And a 1/4 cup of peanut butter. I know Jonah will really like this baked peanut butter oatmeal because he likes to put peanut butter in his oatmeal whenever we make it in the mornings anyway. So we've got the melted butter, maple syrup, egg, and peanut butter. Now we're going to put a teaspoon of baking powder. Half a teaspoon of salt. 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla. And we need half a cup of milk. The last thing we need is the oats. We just need 1½ cups of old-fashioned oats. Alright, now we're just going to pour it into the casserole dish. And it bakes for 30 minutes at 350. Brush this spray around just a little bit. It already smells really good. It smells like a peanut butter cookie. just spread that out and it's ready to go in. We did a little taste test, and this is probably the best texture of baked oatmeal that I've ever made before. It's really like it holds together really good, but it is so moist. Sissy's gonna taste it now. Be careful, it's still a little hot.
And Steve.
Okay. See how fluffy it is, but it holds together good, but it's so moist. That's great. By the way, if y'all saw yesterday's video, we figured out the mystery of the missing popsicle. Tyler found it, right? Tyler found it, and he was like, who put this popsicle in here? I had put it in the refrigerator.
And it melted.
In my chocolate hiding spot.
And it melted.
Yes. I've shown y'all my chocolate hiding spot before where, you know.
It's at the top of the refrigerator door.
Everybody knows where it is, so I don't even know why I call it that. But anyway, that's where I put that popsicle. Sissy told me this afternoon that Tyler found it. Apparently I've created a habit and didn't even realize it.
Yeah. Why didn't we look in the refrigerator?
I did. I looked in the refrigerator, but I didn't look in my chocolate hiding spot.
Yeah.
I just looked to see if I sat it, you know, just right in there, right as you open the door. Nope. Did you pick this because it was Christmas in July?
Yeah.
Tacky's Christmas. This used to be one of Jonah and Sissy's favorites.
Well, we had this for a long time.
I think they're having an arm wrestling competition in there. Christmas had come to nice icy land. Excitement was in the air and in the water.
Arm wrestle after this book.
Goodly, lovely, Angel, neatly and perfect, had everything beautifully organized. First, we must wrap our presents, they said. But wait, where was Tacky? Where Tacky was in the chimney, practicing, and stuck. He had been selected to wear the Santa outfit since his belly shook like a bowl full of jelly when he laughed. Eventually, his companions found him, and with much huffing and oofing, they pulled him out. Now that the presents were wrapped, it was time to turn to the task of making ornaments. As they worked with glue and glitter and sequins, the penguins sang their favorite carol. Deck the iceberg, wrap a gifty, fa la 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 la. Make an ornament that's nifty, fa la 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 la. Hang it on a tree. A tree? The penguins looked around. There seemed to be a shortage of trees in nice icy land. We could decorate Tacky, suggested Goodly and Lovely. He's sort of got Jimmy Dean coming to the rescue. I'm just gonna make a sausage and egg scramble. We just cook up the sausage, and then when it's done, we crack the eggs in here, scramble them real quick, and we're ready to put it into some burrito flour tortillas. Anybody know what happened to my scissors? You already got it in the air fryer system?
No, I want some sausage.
Okay.
Tell me what some sausage.
Jonah got burritos.
Burrito.
Everybody come get some mine.
Some of the melted pizza.
Family, I got yours on the table.
Yeah, just be like Clyde the chance of me by it's like I eat that hot dog.
Here's your oatmeal, Sissy.